Hello everyone and welcome to the Attractive Japan YouTube channel. My name is Lacey and today I'm visiting a bonsai farm. I'm here to do a bonsai experience in Kagawa and I am going to be with a local farmer, going around the field learning about the bonsai and making my own little bonsai today. So I'm very excited, so let's go! Kagawa prefecture is located in Shikoku, the smallest of the 4 main islands that make up Japan. Located only 3 hours by train from Osaka, it's an easily accessible and yet undiscovered region. Many tourists make the mistake of missing this beautiful location. Kagawa is known for both bonsai and udon. Specifically, Takamatsu City produces about 80% of Japan's bonsai. With little rain and warm temperatures, this area is perfect for growing bonsai. The climate that makes it perfect for bonsai is also perfect for wheat, which is why the area has a love affair with udon. Mixed with the soy sauce, salt, and sardine production in the area, you basically have all the ingredients for udon broth. And I can't lie, the udon noodles here were amazing. So now it's time to work on some bonsai. We are going to learn from the local farmer about a little bit of the work that he does every day. Raising bonsai is not for the impatient. It takes years and years for the true results to be seen. Some of the most prized bonsai trees have been passed down over generations. After exploring the farm, I got to put my own tree in a pot, wrap wire around it so that I could form the branches into a shape that I found beautiful, and at the end I got to bring it home with me. Okay, so maybe I needed a little help with the beauty part, but still. Maybe I did it.
Kawaii.
Thank you. So I just finished making my bonsai and I actually get to take this home, so I'm so excited. It's got the wire on here to make the shape and I made it myself, so I can't wait to grow this little guy. He is supposed to keep the wire on for 1 or 2 years, and so hopefully I have a green thumb and I don't kill him, but we'll see. After my morning of bonsai farm fun, I went to stay at a Japanese folk house. During my time there, we spent the evening learning how to make Kagawa's famous udon together. This beautiful Japanese style house. They've got a tatami room. It's just gorgeous. Look at the bottom. I can't wait. Udon actually only requires 3 ingredients: salt, flour, and water, so it's not that difficult to make. Kagawa's udon is special because after mixing the ingredients together, traditionally, people stepped on the dough to create a soft, chewy texture. Back in the old days, they used to have children do the work. They would wear their school backpacks to give them some extra weight to knead the dough. Of course, nowadays, there are machines to do this process. After we all thoroughly kneaded our dough, our instructor had us go around and feel the texture of each person's udon. Depending on a person's weight and pressure, the dough actually changes. Step 1 done.
Yeah.
So now that we've finished up one of our udon, we're at a local farmer's market known for organic products to buy some local vegetables for our chef to make with our meal and our udon. So let's check it out. This farmer's market had a label with a picture of the farmer who grew the produce and more information about them as an organic farmer. buy some, we got one juice. They're 200 yen for as much as I can fit in this bag.
ハワイなんだ。
We bought a nice collection of organic, fresh, local produce to eat for dinner, and it was not disappointing. I got to try a lot of new veggies, and they were all delicious.
食べ。
甘くないですか？
美味しい。
ね。
While we were resting our udon to prepare it for rolling out and cutting, we decided to help our chef to prepare the vegetables. After preparing the vegetables, the udon was finally ready for the final step, so we started rolling it out, fairly thin, to prepare it for cutting. Because udon gets bigger while cooking, we have to make it very thin.
Music licensing reimagined.
Cutting them to be the same size is a very difficult task, and let me tell you, mine were a little bit of a mismatched bunch, but nonetheless delicious. So everything's finally done, and now it's time to eat.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
いただきます。
Our chef served us several courses, more than I can name, and let me tell you, I was very, very full by the end, but it was so delicious that I couldn't stop eating. And let me tell you, fresh udon noodles have a completely different taste from the stuff that you can buy in the supermarket. The chewiness, the texture, and the way that it mixed with our hot pot broth was just perfection, and you are missing out. So we just finished eating. It was a huge meal and there was so much, and there's even leftovers, and as much as I want to eat it, it just won't fit. So this has been a great day, amazing food, and now I'm gonna go to bed with a food coma. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the other Kagawa videos. There's so much to do here, and you know, if you're interested in this experience, check out the link below. And for more information, always check out our website, check out our other videos, give this a thumbs up, and leave any questions down below. See you next time. Bye!